With GoTouch, you can turn the TV or projector you already have into an interactive whiteboard, so you can share your brilliant ideas, learn a new language, and use your computer like never before. Work more quickly as a group, whether you're all in the same room or thousands of miles away, connected by the internet. And of course, you can keep and share what you create. Setup is easy. Download the app and pair GoTouch with your smartphone or Windows PC. Connect it to your TV or projector and start creating.
Our team has been working on GoTouch for more than a year. It's already working perfectly in offices and schools across Korea. But we want to bring GoTouch to the rest of the world. To do that, we need your help to scale up our production beyond what you can make in our small office. Please support us on Kickstarter, and you can make any TV or projector interactive.